Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Stubborn Developers. So in the last video we have already discussed how to install node.js and how to install Express and how it can be works from the CMD. So guys, in this example as we have seen, I have just include or require the Express, and then we have created the object of that particular Express, and now I have defined a hard coded port that is 3000. It is not mandatory that you have to put a 3000, you can put it as according to your convenience. So guys, here we have seen how we can listen a node application on any particular port. So now today I will explain you how we can call it from the browser and how we can use any particular route in the browser. So guys, as we all know, we have a default port of our system, we have a default address of our system, that is 127.0.0.1. so guys, we will open it in the browser. So after executing the node.js program, we will have to execute 127.0.0.1. then guys, what we have mentioned the default port in our node application, we have to put here. I have just putting 3000, and now it is showing cannot get slash. So it is just showing because of we have not defined any routing in our node application. So guys, today I will explain you how we can use routing in our node app with the help of Express. So guys, as we all know that every request done from the browser can be accessed through the get method. So here I will define the route for the home page or default. So guys, here is the syntax app.get. then I have to put the route what I'm accepting. I'm just accepting home page or default of the site. So then I will define a callback function here. In the callback function we have a two parameters. First one is the request, another one is the response. So guys, in the request we will have all the data which is posted to our node app using the browser, because we are just taking and we are just accepting get methods. So whenever user will request to our site, the method will be called. In response, we will use what data we want to return back to the user. So here I am just returning response dot end welcome to home page. So guys, now what I have done, I have just created a route with a get method. What it will do, it will just accept the home page, and then I have passed a one callback function with the two parameters. First one is the request, another one is the response. So I have just response is back to welcome to the home page whenever user will come to that particular route. So now once again I will check in the browser, it will show me the same error once again. It is showing because of every change done in the index.js or main file of the node program, change cannot be reflected until we re-execute our program from the CMD. So guys, here what I will do, I will just stop the current execution by Ctrl+C. then I will execute the command to run my node application once again. So guys, here I can see server is running on port 3000. So now I will rerun the browser. So now it is showing me welcome to home page. So guys, my route for the home page has worked. But another challenge we have faced just now, that after making any change in the index.js file, we have to rerun our program. So guys, it can reduce our efficiency of development. So node.js provided us a very good package for this. So the package is nodemon. So guys, just to overcome this problem, we will install that package in our node app. So guys, I will install nodemon here. So as we have already discussed, that the syntax to install any package is npm space install -g then package name. -g is used here guys just to install the nodemon globally. Actually, we have to install nodemon as globally, so that whenever we will create another program, another app in our system, so we don't need to install nodemon once again. So that's why I am installing nodemon as a globally. So guys, I will put an enter. It will install the nodemon in our system. So it may take a few seconds or few minutes as per your connection. So just wait. It will be installed soon. Yes, it has been installed. So guys, now nodemon is installed. So now what change I have to do after installation of the nodemon? Whenever I will execute any node program, so instead of node space file name, I will type nodemon space file name. So my file will be called using nodemon. So guys, what nodemon actually works, nodemon will automatically re-execute our program after the saving of any change in the index.js file. So suppose that in the CMD it is showing me server is running on port. It is showing one time only. So now what I will do, I will just remove the space from here and I will save the file only. So guys, in the CMD it will show me rerun of the commands. So it has been saying restarting due to changes and starting node index.js. So it has been rerun the command once again. So now I don't need to change and I don't need to rerun my node program. Here I can see welcome to the home page once again. So I'm just saving it. In the last change we have seen we have to rerun our program, but I am just executing my program with the help of nodemon, so I will not rerun. So I will just go to the browser once again, and now it is showing reflections at the same time. So this is the main benefits of the nodemon, that it can increase our efficiency of work. So guys, now I will define another route. So as we have already discussed, any request done from the browser can be received in the get method only. So here I will define another route, that is app.get, then route name. What route name I want to put here? Suppose I am just providing users, and then I have to post a callback function with two parameters, request and response. So guys, here this route will be called when the user will type /users in the browser. So we will see in a few minutes. So I'm just returning once again response.end welcome to users. Welcome to users. So guys, I will go to the browser once again, and then I will type /users. So now users route will be called, which we have defined in our program. So guys, as we have seen how we can use routing in the node.js. So guys, this is the basically main thing to implement in our every program we have to do. And another thing is that whenever we will discuss in later videos, so whenever we will send the data to our node program using the post method, then what we have to do, we have to just app.post. So this is the basically routing which we can use in the node.js. So guys, hopefully you have understand the routing and how nodemon works in node.js. So guys, if you have any problem related to the videos, or if you have any doubts, so you can directly put it in the comment section, and within the 24 hours I will revert you back. So guys, please do it in your own practice, that routing works for you or not. If you find any query, you can directly contact to me. So in the next video I will explain you how we can use environment variables dynamically in the node.js, as I have defined a port here 3000, and now I want to use it as a dynamically, according to the project needs. So I will put it in an environment variable separately, and suppose that in the program we have to use lot of constants as well. So I will create a separate file just to put all these environment variables and how we can use it in the node program. So guys, just join us me on the next video. So thank you.